What?
Big one.
That's the one you want to drink out of?
Big one.
That's a big one.
Big one.
Yeah.
Big one.
Alright, put some chocolate in it.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No.
Well, I don't have to do it for you.
Yeah, I'll do it.
No, you can do it. See, good job. Well, you know how to pour your milk. You can pour your chocolate too.
No, a fork.
Whoops. Whoops.
What do you got? I want a fork.
What?
I need a fork.
Oh, you need to get a fork? Okay. Get your fork.
I need a spoon.
Oh, actually, you're going to get a spoon? Hey, what'd you say? Did you say actually you're going to get a spoon?
No.
Oh,
A spoon.
okay.
A spoon.
Okay. Hey, you know you still have mayonnaise all over your mouth?
I think that you got it.
You can't get my chocolate? Well, squeeze it real hard and you can probably do it.
I think that you got it.
Yeah, I think you can.